well, we are here and we're gonna go play some Bee Swarm. And yes, I just want to show you something at Bee Swarm Simulator that you will about to see. Some secrets in Bee Swarm, you know. So let's start going. Bee Swarm Simulator time. Okay. We haven't entered Bee Swarm Simulator again. EAC. Pausing dipper. Loading again and again. Okay, good. Hello? Well, I guess I'm in the game. That's all that matters, but we'll ask you some secrets, you know? And first let's claim this. Here we go. And now start the cannon. Okay, number one, we have something right over here. I think it's around, over there, Yeah, it's somewhere over there. So let's go back to the cannon. There was someone. Hey! Oh, somebody just blasted the cannon and so many people started. Is there like one of the video? Oh, yes, I see many have knowledge. Nope. Still failed. Okay, try it again. Jump. Jump! Okay, let's do it. Hey, yo, yes, Mondo. Well, I'm gonna decide to go back to camp. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay, true. Okay, so I guess wait, where did all my bees go? Hey, bees, why are you taking so long to put on the end? Hi, Ladybug. How are you doing? Whatever. Wait, what? The spider also died? I didn't realize that. Okay, let's go back in. The portal of free. Oh, please make it. No! It failed! My photon beast. If only my photon beast can like make rocket powers and then can fly to the sky somehow. No? Okay. Oh no, not again! Why again? I guess there is only one way to do it. Make it done! Oh, I did! If I remember, there's something that the person needs to... Okay. Yeah, I think this is it. What is this location? We're just exploring this new visual location. What is this? Is it what I think this is? Hold on a second, I think I know this location. Is this what am I thinking it is? Or maybe it is correct. I'm supposed to... Okay, so I think that's the secret room. And if we continue going this way, I don't think it is... I forgot the location. I hope I didn't fall into... Or maybe I can... That looks... promising. Nope, that's the end of the word. Oh. This looks suspicious. I can't use my... Oh, I can, but... let's turn off the music right now. So, we can't dig here. I think I discovered the place. Now, my question is, what is it? Can I play something? You must be... So, what is this location? Can we try some things over here? First, let's see. Quest. None of these okay. Nothing's weird. This seems weird. This is not supposed to be. Hold on, I think this is 100% the location. Now my question is, what can we? So, how at ONNET Field? Where do we go to get to ONNET Field? This location literally make me. Okay. So cub. Why am I pretty scared in the location? Okay, let's have this sound again. This is not a location that we should be finding spells, and I don't know the way back. So I guess we're gonna get to the next location. This is one of the location, which is not why did you just press leave the game? Whatever, but that's one of the secrets that I just discovered. Okay, I think I have gone there and I fell into the void. I don't remember. Next, we are gonna discover another secret area that I have lately discovered as well. Loading like a loading. Is this loading screen? No. What is loading screen taking like? Wait, what am I? Okay, I'm supposed to go straight into here. Now we're supposed to go to this. Yeah. Hey, those vectors. Oh no, I missed it again. This is the hardest thing that. Oh wait. Ah! Not again. Don't tell me it happened again. No. My present! It's up in the air! This always happens, okay? Oh, yes! Now the tricky part is, if I can do it, huh? Yes, I did it. Why am I pretty stuck? Are you kidding me? Are you not stuck on the pineapple? Let me out! No! But, well, that was like 50% close death. Oh, not again! Come on, let me up this pineapple. This pineapple looks weird. Pineapple? We'll jump to this leaf. I think. How do you get on the pineapple? You can use a can. Oh, stop. Nope. Okay, fine. Let's do another. Okay, I have another plan. We do that thing again. What happened? It was supposed to shoot me all the way back there, and how did I get shot like? Seriously? Oh, wow. I think that was a question mark. Okay, let's try it once again. Just shoot me. Oh no! Oh, not again! How many times I've been failing on doing these videos? Okay, let's jump on to the lion bee statue. Wait, is it possible to? I don't want to fall down. I just want to jump here. I don't want to jump towards the wind. Okay. Well, pretty tall, please. Okay, that building is my target here. So let's try. I'm gonna try my best. No, I don't think I'm gonna make it. Yeah. Oh, that's a very close meeting. Try though. This is another time I will try. I'll try until I can do it. Jump over the fence. Like, that's not a fence at all. 100. Hey! Bye! Oh. Bye. Just walking around and with a bubble mask. Okay, I'll try to shoot again. Nope. Failed. Failed again, and failed again. What? Again. How many tries? I already just used one try last time, and it worked. And now it's gonna take I guess we need to take it the long way. Let's go. It's gonna take a long time. It's gonna take a long time. Oh, wait, wait. This isn't that long. I hope I just don't. Are you kidding me? I just fell. Not again. Wait. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Come on, I think this is it. Yup. It's done. Say hello to that's festive. Say hello to Puppy Bee, and that I think it's festive bee. Yeah, say hello to both of them there. Hi, Festus B and hi, Puppy B. And bye. And nextly, I'm gonna continue exploring. Oh, that was this. That was just cool. That was just broken. What was that? Don't know. Which is okay. Time to go to. Wait, what am I doing there? I don't know. I'm supposed to fight the ants. I think okay. Okay. Let's start to get to. I think I need to do Rose Field. I need to go to Rose Field. Guys, I need to go to Rose Field. So let's go to Rose Fields. Blah blah blah. I think that's a Rose. Yep, it's a coming. Okay, bees. Let's go this way. I'm just gonna fight the scorpion and that's all. And get the scorpion down. Now let me just get the loot and then
A few moments later.
Let me go in relays HQ and jump over here. Okay, that. Oh, what? What's wrong with this? Oh yeah, remember that. I have relay guard. I don't want the size. That photo high. I have no money. Nope. Okay, that's horrible. That means no. Oh no, I just cracked some pole and this is what happened to my camera. Somebody help! Fine, I need to change my money. Sorry if it's gonna make everyone feel that this is the weirdest thing ever, but after I'm done making my a little bit funny because of my broken camera, I'll be right back. Safely. And I'm back. Hi. Is it that you have diamond wheel already? Okay, whatever. My diamond bee is sleeping and all my bees are sleeping. Come on. I guess how about my lion bee? I think. No, it's a. I don't know. These pretty low. Oh. Now I think I'm gonna go to Bubble Man first. See you guys at Bubble Man. Well, it's okay again. Woohoo! Yay! It's nighttime, I guess. Oh no. No! Oh no. Hi! Let's jump to this guy. Jump to each person. Jump to area to this. So when you be faint inside, okay. Again. Another one. Please not again, you can away, and you can go away. So it's blocking the move. Touch you from the romantic. It's gonna to pack over here. What? Are you kidding? This is sad. Really sad. What about really fine? No, can't do it. Please. Okay. No. Oh no. This is one of it. This bad. Oh no! I could have had it. I would just died again. Wasted that many money for nothing. You gotta be kidding me. Just lost really so many money. Okay, let's go come. My money! I guess I'm gonna go. Wait, it's the honey storming? Is it? No, it's not honey. Better rock next time. Yeah! Yes! Yeah, of course, better rock next time game. Come on, let me up this thing. Hey. Come on, avoid that. Come on, let me up! Oh! Again. Fine, do some jump up there. Let's poof. No, okay. I think I should summon. How should I? Nope, wake up not too many. Okay, one of the chicken is being attacked over there. I'm gonna do it later. Commander. Let's summon a honeystone, I guess. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna use this honeystone. Let's go. Let's grab all the money. Claim all the money. Grab all the money. Grab all the money. Is it me or the game is lagging? Very laggy. Yep, it's laggy. It's very laggy and I'm crafting these inside. Well, that's how visual works. Okay, just gonna hey. I guess it's time for the next room. Oh, what am I doing? Be quick, making okay, got it. Now continuing Rose Field like normal, you need to dig again at Rose Field, blah blah blah. Get some more. Let's start to dig around in the goo. I'm gonna collect goo, continue collect goo, you know, stuff. I guess I'm just gonna normally dig small area you can do. And I'm gonna go craft more, I guess. Okay. I guess my money is getting up quick again, so I'm gonna go plant something. I'm gonna go plant a fish one. Epic spot, okay. Where's that epic spot at? Is this my epic spot? I think so, right? Yes it is. Oh gosh, it's gonna take forever to dig. Well, I guess I need somebody to help. Just gonna go. Oh, what a jelly! Hey, this is it's pretty long there. See that coming, and I don't see that coming. Okay, guys. Just wait for a while. Okay, so sorry about that, about the battery low. I will get the battery later, but come on, we're gonna go and get some stuff from the strawberry generator again. Red HQ, going to the red HQ. La 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 la. Something? No! Come on, it's not yet. Okay, fine. Fine. No? Whatever. Okay. Oh no, wait, am I stuck? This is weird. Okay. So, hold on, we need to go again. I think I'm gonna let HQ. What is the place again? Alright. Here we go. No one's digging at my spot. Come on. I just planted it and nobody's digging. Whatever, I'm good. Hey! My plant is in the air! Again? There's even a victim! This is shit! I guess I got some bean chill. That'll help me a little bit. That'll help me not that much. I guess it's wrong then. We'll go to the next place. What was I trying to do? I guess it's okay, I'm gonna go find a place where there's a food. Isn't that at area 35 to work like video or maybe for me everyone okay, see somebody rich over there. So I will not go, but like I can't okay. Nobody's there, nobody's Okay, I guess people are literally summoning comments right now, which is people consensus. Okay, I guess let's go. But I think I got how did the ticker just disappear and reappear there? That weird. That's weird. Go game, let's go to badges and see what they need. Okay, so that's still going, that's still going, that's still going. Okay, we got this done. We got this done. Okay, we got no ace. So I think it's blue flower badge. And okay. And now I just gotta go here and wait. Let me check. Coconut. Okay, pebble patch. So these are like let's see the good. Okay, I'm still at cadet at to reach back. And well, where do you think I'm going right now? I'm going to oh yeah. Well, I'm going to in this. I'm gonna go to King Beetle first. Beetle, are you ready? Oh yes. King Beetle! I'm fighting King Beetle! Come on, King Beetle. Give me something good. Give me let me just go here. Safe. Go safe and sound here. And, King Beetle, you hacked the game or something. This is not supposed to work. How? King Beetle! How are you attacking me? Okay, I need something that can help me. That's not gonna help me. That's not gonna help me. That's not gonna help me too. That's not gonna help me too. Oh no, is King Beetle you? Okay, the King Beetle. Okay, my health is pretty up, so let me go hide in this sunbeam again. Please work. Oh no, King Beetle wrong way. Oh no, that's death. No, you died. Okay, he just died. Okay, that's what the King Beetle stuff is. Okay guys, this is all. Seems like this is gonna be the end of the video right now. And well, yes, we have got to the secret area, and now I'm gonna end the video here. Bye bye.